Hello, welcome to our class again. Today we will continue our lesson, going on a trip. And your vocabulary words. So your structure here is, where do you want to go? So this one, it's a museum. Museum. It's a fair. Fair. It's a zoo. Zoo. And for your speaking structure, you are going to say, where do you want to go? And you will say, I want to go to the, and to begin, where do you want to go? I want to go to the zoo. I want to go to the zoo. Where do you want to go? I want to go to the fair. I want to go to the fair. And where do you want to go? I want to go to the museum. I want to go to the museum. Goodbye.